2 days earlier, Maya receives a mysterious message on her phone.
Who sent this? Why are they asking me to come alone?
The message warns her not to tell Arjun. Back to present timeline, Arjun wakes up in the hospital again at night, feeling pain.
Maya, are you okay now?
Yes, because of you. You saved me.
Suddenly the hospital lights flicker.
What happened to the lights?
A police officer enters the room. Rahul escaped from custody. He may still be after you both.
What? He escaped?
We need to leave this hospital now.
Arjun slowly stands up despite his injury.
Arjun, you're hurt. Please rest.
Your safety matters more than my pain.
Arjun, Maya, and the police officer move through a dark hospital corridor.
This place suddenly feels scary.
Stay close. We don't know if Rahul is nearby. A loud noise comes from the stairwell.
What was that?
I'll check.
Beth, let me go first. Rahul jumps out of the shadows, attacking the officer. You thought you could run?
Arjun.
Arjun shields Maya and grabs a metal tray to fight back.
Rahul, stop this madness.
Never. If I can't have Maya, no one else will. A tense fight happens in the dark corridor. The officer calls for backup. Backup. 3rd floor emergency. Rahul kicks Arjun, who nearly falls over the railing.
Arjun, hold my hand.
I can manage, just stay back.
Police backup arrives. Rahul tries to run again. Don't move. This time, he's fully surrounded and arrested for good. This isn't the end. Rahul is taken away. Maya hugs Arjun tightly.
I thought I was going to lose you.
I told you, I will protect you always.
Later that night, Arjun and Maya sit on a hospital rooftop bench under the stars.
Everything happened so fast I'm scared.
You're safe now. That's all that matters.
Maya rests her head on Arjun's shoulder.
Arjun, I think I love you.
I've loved you for a long time, Maya.
Their hands meet. The city lights glow below. A new chapter of love begins.